If you want to know how I got 400 subscribers off of one video that didn't even go viral, keep watching. Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, it's just like super candid. I just was thinking about the fact that I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I've reached 30,000 views collectively. I got an email notification about that at least. So I just wanted to come on here and just talk about some of the things that I've noticed about YouTube and just small YouTube content creators and stuff like that. First of all, I just want to say I feel like there's a shift in YouTube as far as what's trending and what's not. So I've noticed that people are actually looking for more authentic content, and I don't feel bad about getting thousands of views or some videos not even hitting 100 views. Like, I'm actually really okay with that. Some of the things that I've noticed is that I see people come on here and they'll be recording from their phone and it's really obvious. Or I'll see them mess up and not edit out the mess up. I'll see people get on camera and talk without makeup on, all types of things. And I'm like, I actually like this small content creator, small YouTube, less pressure, nobody cares about the numbers type of thing. But with that being said, I do know that people want to see some type of growth. Like, you don't want to put all your hard work into creating content and then you don't see any fruits of your labor, right? So you clicked on this video because you want to know, how did I get 400 subscribers off of one video? And the video didn't go viral either. And so I know with a lot of us, we want to become monetized at some point and stuff like that. So one of the requirements to becoming monetized is having at least 1,000 subscribers. But if you want to know how I got 400 subscribers off of one video that didn't even go viral, keep watching. First things first, controversial content is always going to be a banger. It doesn't matter how controversial it is. If it's something that is going to trigger somebody or spark interest in a negative way, that is what's going to make somebody click on your video. Every time I've ever posted a video and it's been like a cons video or a bad review of a product or something like that, those videos always do numbers. When I'm giving advice on something or when I say I like something, people will totally scroll past that video. If I say this is what I use for this, that, and the third, nobody cares what I use because they want to know the bad stuff. I don't know why human beings are wired to like the bad stuff, but like, viewers just flock to negativity. So that's the first thing you got to do. The second thing you got to do is get to the point. I want to say an overwhelming amount of comments that I get is thank you for getting to the point. Thank you, short, sweet, and simple. Thank you, no fluff. Thank you for real tips that work. I know a lot of content creators and even people who are like YouTube gurus who I would watch their videos to get tips on growing my channel, and the whole video would be fluff. And I'm like, are you serious? I watched 25 minutes of you talking in circles and not giving me one realistic thing that I could do to grow my channel. Get to the point. In the age of TikTok, in the age of Instagram stories and Facebook stories and Snapchat stories, where people are watching your content for seconds at a time, you don't have 20, 30, 40 minutes to get somebody's attention. They want to click on to the next. They want to know something else. And if you're not making content that's 5 minutes or less, somebody else is, and they're going to give them what they're looking for. I mean, you can watch an entire recipe tutorial, step-by-step recipe, measurements, everything on TikTok in like less than 30 seconds. So what makes you think that somebody's gonna watch your content for 45 minutes? It's just, it doesn't make any sense. And so I know one of the arguments is that the longer your content is, the more watch time you get, and that's not necessarily true. I'd rather have a video that is getting, picked up because people are engaging with it, leaving me comments like, thank you for getting to the point. And then they watch 4 minutes of my 5-minute video 50,000 times versus 200 people watching all the way to the end of a 40-minute video. Like, come on. And most of the time, I don't know about you, but I'd be like, I scroll through, because unless it's a commentary video, unless it's a documentary, unless it's something actually engaging where I want to sit down for 20, 30, 40 minutes to watch the video, I am not watching it, and your viewers aren't either. The last thing I want to say, the last tip I think that has helped my videos and helped me give viewers is authenticity. One of the things I used to be so discouraged about on YouTube is that I'm like, I don't have fancy equipment, I don't have this, I don't have that. And my husband is a social media buyer. So he puts up those ads on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat, and he makes a lot of money doing it. And one of the things he always told me was, authentic content does better. And so you see your favorite YouTubers strive to be more professional. Some of them have even gotten full-blown production teams behind their content now. But honestly, like, once you hit that pinnacle, it's nothing but decline from there. And I love YouTubers that are more authentic. Like, I'll give you a prime example. I used to be a ride or die Jackie Aina faithful YouTube subscriber, but you know, like, after she got too unrelatable, like, I'm not gonna wear lime green wigs outside. Like, your makeup tutorials aren't even for me anymore because you're dressing like a celebrity. I work in corporate America. I have a military career. I'm a wife with 2 children. You're not gonna catch me wearing a sequin jumpsuit. Like, it's just not happening. So you know what I'm saying? When you lose that relatability, you lose your following. And so because you're a small YouTuber, I think you should cling to that relatability. Okay, so what if you don't have 4K quality? So what if you have to wait until the sunshine is up in the middle of the sky to get that perfect sun lighting, to get that great lighting for your content? So what if you mess up in your videos sometimes? So what if you come on camera and you're not dolled up? I realized that authenticity is really what's capturing people on social media right now. And honestly, that's how those 3 elements is what I find consistently in my videos that do well. And one of my most recent videos got me 400 subscribers. So that's all I got for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments. Let me know if you're trying to start a YouTube channel. Let me know if you watch other videos of mine, because that's another thing. It's like, I know my videos are kind of all over the place. I'm talking about this, I'm talking about that. But I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do on YouTube. So it is what it is. And there's no pressure. Like, if this takes off, fantastic. If it doesn't, fantastic. Like, I'm not really pressed. And I think that's another thing that makes this more, I don't have any secrets to hide, and I don't have anything to lose on YouTube, you know? But thank you for chilling with me for this like 5-10 minute video. All right, see you in the next one. My lips are ashy. Bye.